Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's exciting lesson, we'll be diving into the world of robotics with Makeblock Ultimate 2 Robotic Arm. I'll be showing you how to use this incredible robotic arm with ultrasonic sensor to take your projects to the next level. So if you are ready to explore this fascinating world of robotics, let's get started. Okay, before we jump into the hands-on the part, let's quickly go over what we'll be covering today's lesson. Now, first of all, I'm going to show you ultrasonic sensor. I fix here, assemble in here, robotic. Let me show you closely. Hopefully you can see this. Let me do a focus. So as you can see, I built ultrasonic sensor in here, so it can detect from here. So it's very level angle, you can see. So any object, because I am using the arm all the way down to from the starting point, I'm going to use the robotic arm all the way down, so the ultrasonic sensor can detect anything from the arm. So for here I'm going to measure 10 to 20 centimeters to detect the object. Okay, and you can do your own testing and find out how long you can grab any item from here. So you can see the close, and you can check the distance and find out how many centimeters you want. You can you can play around and find out. I'm going to show you how to do the blocks, so you can play around from the the settings I'm going to give you. So the ultrasonic, since it's fit on here, I put 2 screws and I put the connect to the board. Okay, actually this one, number 6. So RJ 45 to number 6. So I'm going to put it back to get the, I'm going to focus this. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I open the mBlock version 5.4.2 as the latest version. Today's date is 10/9/2023. So that's the version. So first of all, what we need to do is we're going to add the Ultimate 2 to the library. So when you check, probably I'm going to use this, my favorite, so it will pop up. Okay, you can see the Ultimate, it's selected, and next thing is we're going to connect. So I'm going to turn on my Ultimate 2. Okay, just turn it on. I'm going to connect. So COM11. If you don't know how to use the COM port, please look my previous videos, my troubleshooting guide, everything are same, so you will know how to connect. Just let you know that I'm going to create 2 videos for now. This will be first one, and second I will create later. The first video I'm going to show you is going to be a very advanced block program. The second one I'm going to modify, and I'm going to show you some movement. Okay, Now I connect, it's already connected. Now let's start building. So first of all, I'm going to use the events. I'm going to use when click. I'm going to put it here, when click one, and I'm going to make it zoom a little bigger so you can see. I'm going to put it like that. I need more space because it's going to be a big. So the next thing you want to do is, let's get controls. Let's go forever block. You can see forever. I'm going to put it here. And the next one need if. Okay. So I got the forever if else. So actually I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use it for my second video. I'm not going to use the if block. I'm going to use only the forever, so we can divide it to two videos. It's easy to understand, to learn. So I'm going to put when click forever. So next is I'm going to use wait until. Okay, I'm going to use, because we have ultrasonic sensor in port 6. Remember that. Okay, you can't put it because the shape is not going to fit on. So normally what we need to do here is I'm going to use, because less than 20, so this is more than 20, this sign, this is less than 50 or more than 50. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use actually 20. Okay, and now I can use the ultrasonic sensor block. Do you see that? It just jumped into that block because it's the shape. So make sure if the block's not connecting, is the block needs some modification or some other variables to fit on the blocks. Okay, now I have wait until port 6 distance 20 less than 20. Okay, so what happen is, next is I'm going to put a command so it's easy. I'm going to say detect something. Okay, I'm going to put detect something in here. So we can understand what's in these blocks do. So next one is I'm going to use a motion. Okay, the motion is I'm going to use DC motor, and I'm going to use DC motor. I'm going to show you what it's going to do, right? So the DC motor, actually this is going to be close. Okay, so I'm going to use port 4B because this is the port is connected. The close is connected. This close is connected to port 4B. So make sure the ports in the back it's connected to the correct port, because I used the port 4B. Okay. So what happened in here is, so when you click this, so it's going to close. Okay, you can hear a sound because it's still running the motor. Okay, so if you keep like this, it's going to be hot. It's not good for the motor, because I don't know if you can hear the sound. I hear the hum sound because still going, still is running the motor. So that is the sound. So what we need to do is we're going to get another one. I'm going to make it 0. So when you click this, it's going to be 0. That's can turn it off. Okay. So this is how I do it, but probably you will have a different things how you can stop that. But for now, for me, this is the way I found it to stop that motor. So what I'm going to do here is now I'm going to put in the list, and I'm going to wait for 3 seconds. I'm going to use wait for 3 seconds, then turn off the motor. Okay, because now it's closed, it's not going to do anything. So what I'm going to do here is get another duplicate. I'm going to use this time, let me see what I need to do. I'm going to use the port 4B. I'm going to use actually minus minus 50. Okay, I'm going to do another duplicate. I'm going to use 0. So let's click this one. You will see it's open and still running, and it's not going to stop. If we use the stop button, it's not going to stop. So what I need to do is we're going to use the same one and put it 0. Now it's stopped. Okay. So I'm not going to put this because I'm going to put it like this. So now what will happen is when an object found within 20 centimeter, the claw is going to open. Okay, open, and it's going to sorry, my bad, it's going to close, because I'm going to set up this, the robotic arm going to always, the arm going to be always down like this and close open. So this will be the default. Okay, so always be default. So when something detect, then it's going to be closed, the claw is going to close. Okay, I'm not going to run this now, but you know what, let me try to run and see this. Okay, so I'm going to use something object. Okay, we're still running because it is a loop. That's why you will hear voice. So because it's the detecting, the ultrasonics is detecting, let's keep it do a loop. So I'm going to use this one to open. I'm taking out. So they close. So when I run this one again, see it not doing anything because it didn't detect anything. The ultrasonics need to detect. Okay, so I'm going to stop this one. Now let's continue the project code. Now we use wait for 3 seconds and it's going to be close. Now the arm need to go up. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a duplicate here. So the DC motor this time is 3B, the robotic arm. So my robotic arm is configured to port 3B. Okay, so this time I'm going to use slowly go up for 35. Okay, and I'm going to use wait for 3 seconds, and I'm going to use again duplicate this actually. Okay, this, I'm going to make it 0. Okay, so now this is going to go up and going to stop in the middle, because I'm not going to go all the way up. I'm going to use like a half all the way up. So I'm going to demonstrate now. I'm going to, when you click, you can see it went up. So what I'm going to do is I need to put all the way down now. So I'm going to use minus. So you can see if you minus, it's going down, and if you remove the minus, it's going up. So now I need to use the without the minus, I need to go up. So I'm going to put it over here. So let me put a little comment in here so it's easy to find. I'm going to use close, close. Okay, so this is going to be close. I'm going to make it short, so everything going to be very neat, so you can understand the block. So next, this one going to see close to stop. So now you know what this block going to do. Okay, it's going to close, and this one arm going to go up. Okay, arm up. So this is going to go arm up. Okay, so this is going to be stop. So I'm not going to put another block because it's going to be false. So now you know it's going to be stop in here. So how about we demonstrate this now? Okay, so I'm going to run, and I'm going to use something. Okay, it's called close, going up. You can see nicely went up. Okay, now we need to put it, this one down. So port 3B, you know what, I'm going to use the DC motor. Port 3B, I'm going to use minus 35, actually 3B. So I'm going to put that down. Oops, I need to use 0. Oops. Oh, minus 35. I'm going to use duplicate. I'm going to use 0 because it went up again, because the ultrasonic sensor detect when it's going, when it's down, detect again, it went up. That's what happened. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to separate this. I'm going to run this. Once it's down, I'm going to stop. Oh, okay, I need to stop this. That's my mistake. So I'm going to put it down. Yeah, it's happened because it was this one was running. That's why it didn't stop. Okay, I don't want to get confused. All these blocks in here, so I'm going to just put it like this. Now now the next one is, now it went up, right? So the next thing I need to do, so it went up, I need to put it again down. right? No, actually not down, actually I need to turn left. Okay, so what I need to do here is, you know what, so I put 35, wait for 30 seconds, DC mode. I'm going to use 2 seconds. It's too high, so I'm going to use 2 seconds. Okay, and I'm going to after that it's going to turn off. Now next thing is I'm going to use turn left. Okay, so I'm going to use turn left. So it's going to turn left for 1 second, and I'm going to use even actually control wait for 1 second. So it's going to turn left, it's going to stay for 1 second. Okay, and now because it turned, it went up, turn left. Let's run this code and see. Okay, I need to stop this, otherwise will happen. First of all, I'm going to use, actually even I'm getting confused of these blocks, so I'm going to use port 3B close. So this is good, so it's the code I need. So what I need to do, port 4B, okay, this is the one. So I'm going to use this, open. Okay, I'm going to close that. So now it's open. I'm going to take this one out. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to click. Now the code is running. Now it didn't do anything because it didn't detect anything, the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so I'm going to go to the full view so we can see, and I'm going to put this. Okay, it's detect, it's close. Now it's going up and turn left. Okay, good. You can see the code at this time we made it only turn left. Okay, so it was still there. So what we need to do is we need to put it, the object need to put it down, close need to open, and arms need to go up, and again turn right and go back to the same position. Okay, go to the default. So we need to do that. Okay, for now I need to I'm going to stop this code first. Okay, I'm going to put it to the original position, back so you can see everything. I'm going to switch back to the camera. Okay, we can see good. So I'm going to switch back again to the coding program. So now I need to put this down. Actually, if this open, it's going to open it down. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to stop. So I need to put the arm down. So arm is 3B. Okay, so arm is down. Okay, because this arm up, so still we didn't put the arm down, right? So turn left. So what is we need to do here is, next is arm need to go down. So this is the one. I'm going to do a duplicate. Okay, I'm going to use this about 35 because 35 arm up, this going arm down. Okay, so arm going to down, added a comment in here. Let me put this turn left. So right turn left, arm down. So close need to open now. So close stop is port 4B. Okay, we have the port 4B. Actually, port 4, yes, port 4B. So I'm going to make a duplicate. I'm going to put it here. The is 50. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use minus 50 to going to put this here, minus 50 to close open. Actually, yes, close open to minus 50. Going to use CLW to open. Okay, now this is going to open, turn left, I'm going down, and after that close going to open. So the object going to stay there. Now close open. Now the arm needs to go up, actually not up again. You know what, yes, arms need to go up again. That's how it, need to do that. So arm up, so that's mean we need port 3B. Okay, so port 3B, duplicate, you know what, we need to put a wait at least 1 second. Okay, and then arm down, arm needs to go up. Okay, duplicate, and I'm going to put another 1 second. I'm going to up again. Sorry, I'm up again. Okay, so I'm up, and I'm going to stop. Okay, 35. So now I'm up, we need to make a right turn now. Turn right, advance. So we came back to the same position. Now what we need to do is the arm needs to go down again. So I'm going to not comment, actually I'm going to use another duplicate. I'm going to use this up, turn right, and arm need to go down. So minus 3.5. So arm need to go down. So we are going to use 1 second. I'm going to make a duplicate 3B. I'm going to make it stop after that. Okay, so I'm going to down. I'm going to put another comment here. Actually, I'm going to put everything back here. So Once we're done, we can delete unnecessary stuff. So arm is down. Okay, so when we click ultrasonic sensor distance less than 20 detects something, it's going to open the close, and after that, no, actually close is already open, so close going to close. Okay, so after that, close going to stop. Actually, I'm going to remove this, otherwise too many comment notes. So this one going to close, and after that I'm going to up, and it's going to stop and turn left. Wait for 2 seconds, turn left. And after that I'm going to down, close going to open, and I'm going to up again. Okay, and turn right, and I'm going to down. So we are missing something. We need close open. No, that's fine. I think we are good. You know what, how about we run this program now? Okay, I'm going to click I'm going to switch back to the original one, and I'm going to put the object. I'm going to use the object. Okay, I'll detect it's going up, turn left, click down. Okay, so we have few issues, so I'm going to stop all. Actually, okay, so let's find out what's the what we miss. I'm going to take this one. Okay, so let me go from the beginning. So we going to DC motor port 150. Okay, close, and after that wait 3 seconds, remove photo 4B off, and after that arms going up. Good, wait for 2 seconds, port 3B turns power, stop. Okay, now turn left, for 1 second, turn left. So good, wait for 1 second, DC motor port 3B turns at power -35, I'm down. Okay, so we are missing weight, that's what happened. So we're going to put in, actually in here we're going to put, wait for 2 seconds. Okay, wait for 2 seconds. After that port 4B turns at okay, that's here also missing something. So because the arm going down, so we need to have a stop button. So we're going to use the duplicate. I'm going to put it here. So DC 4B, you know what, actually, so with 3 5 2 seconds, port 4B minus, I'm going to let me go back, turn left 50, 1 second, DC motor port 3B -35, that's good. Wait for 2 seconds, DC motor port 4B. Actually, I think we have something not right. Okay, let's go step by step. I'm going to use my pen here. So we have this one, port 4B, 0. We have 35, wait for 2 seconds. DC motor port 3B, turn at 5, that's also good. And turn left. Okay, that's also good. And we wait for 1 second, that's also good. And after that, DC port 3B turns at power 35. I'm down. So good. Wait for 2 seconds. That's also good. And in here is the part I miss. Okay, so I'm down. So DC motor 3B. Actually, we need to 3B. We're going to, oops, going to use the same 4B. I'm going to use this is the one I need to use, port 3B to 0. Okay, so I'm going to use this in here. So now 2 seconds, DC motor port 3B going to close, it's also good. And port 4B turns at, I'm going to use 100%. Close, open 100% because it's going to open quickly. Okay, so I'm going to wait for actually 2 seconds, and I'm going to use another duplicate in here. This time I'm going to use port 4B. I'm going to turn for 0. The port need to close, right? So 2 seconds. I'm going to use port, actually port 4B. Yes, port 4B. I'm going to use in here. Now port 4B is open. It's going to stop, otherwise keep doing that. So open. Okay, that's also good. And port 3B 35, that's also good. So wait for actually 2 seconds. So I'm going to use 2 seconds. Okay, that's going to be complicated. So DC motor port 3B turns at 0, good. And then turn right for 1 second, that's also good. DC motor port 3B turns that power. Okay, I'm down. Wait for 2 seconds. 1 second is not enough. And this one. Okay, I'm going to run this code again and see how that goes. So it's running, so it's still not detect anything. I'm going to switch back to my full view, and hopefully this is going to be good. Okay, detect, close. It's going up, turn left, putting down, close, open, stop. Yes, good. It's going up, turn right. Great job. That's how it does. Perfect. Successful. Hooray. Okay, let's switch back. So finally we able to fix all these issues. And so let me go from the beginning. I'm going to do like zoom, so you have a good view. So when click forever, okay, we ultrasonic sensor port 6 detect something within 20 centimeter and close, because the default is close, open, the arms is down like this. Okay, so when subject find detect, it's going to close. That means it's going to grab. Okay, it's going to grab. after that grab, because it was keep continuously running right forever, so that's why we need to put something to stop, otherwise the motor going to get hot. So it's going to stop. Now next one is I'm going to go up and also wait for 2 seconds. I'm going to stop because otherwise motor going to get heat, and going to turn left, wait for 1 second, and also arms going to down after left, wait for 2 seconds, and it's going to turn off the motor again, close going to open. Now the object need to release. Okay, after that it's going to stop because it's continuously running, and after that arms going to up again, wait for 2 seconds, and it's going to stop the motor and turn right, because I always put the stop the motor, otherwise it's going to be hum sound, and not good for the motor. So always keep for a few seconds. I put the 2 seconds. Depending on your project, you can change this stuff, and turn right. If you want to change turn right for like 90 degrees or 180 degrees or all the way back, you can change these seconds. Okay, it will go, or you can speed, it will go faster, or you can use slowly, maybe 2 seconds or 3 seconds, it will go all the way back. So test it out. And after that arms going to down again, so this will be this is the default. I'm going to down because close already open. Okay, this is the default, open, and arm up, arm down is the default. So this is the one we're going to finish it like that. So only the detect something, it's going to close and it will run again, because this is the one. This is the only reason the robotic arm tank in steady mode, and if anything detect, it will run all this program. Okay, so that's all. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, and it will help me to grow my channel. I can make more contents. Thank you so much for joining me in this lesson. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Again, subscribe to my channel. For more exciting robotics tutorials, don't forget to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Until next time, happy robot building. Thank you.